My, delicious so.
Alright, we are going for the last batch now.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we are going for the last batch. Follow we now.
What's up, fam? Real Jamaican life here. My wife, country girl.
Good morning.
Good morning. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. So today we are going to be doing some saltfish fritters. We are gonna mix it up with some mackerel. So stick and stay. Some good things coming your way.
Also want to big up all our subscribers.
Please
Thank
remember.
you very much.
Please
Race walk, big up yourself.
Please remember
Janela Faye,
to
bless
like.
up.
Here we have water, boiled saltfish. We have a little sugar. We put a little. I have to put a little sugar in my fritters. Here we have some tin mackerel, real Jamaican tin mackerel, grace mackerel. Say I root put them tear off the label off of the mackerel, but are still real Jamaican. We have a cooking oil. We have our season, real homegrown season, grown at Jamaica. So here, so we have a salt. We have water for mix up with flour. Water for wash your hand. We have a flour right here. And we have the boss, saltfish. So alright, over here we have our country girl love to have our bramble. She not left out our bramble. And we have wood fire, we stick fire. We don't use wood fire in Jamaica, we use stick fire. So let's get to it. Saltfish are boil. Fire blaze. If you put something in front of the fire, man, the breeze are going. Breeze are get angry. Fire go on with himself. Saltfish are doing thing. So we have to clean up the saltfish. So we take off the out of the saltfish.
What are you going to do with this?
It may I put this saltfish now and pick it. Come, give me a dish, man.
Well, we have to go just share.
So yeah, go pick up the saltfish now. Mince it up. Real Jamaican Live. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. Thanks to those who support. Janela Faye, Grace Walk, thank you. Evangelist Evangelist Thomas. All of you all. Blessed life journey. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. Love you all. Appreciate you all. Keep doing the good work. Keep liking and sharing. I love your comments. All on the comments. Love on the comments. So this is the saltfish after we done pick it up.
We're putting in saltfish now. The salt. I'm gonna put no extra salt in there though.
So while country girl are going to that, me I go throw a little oil in the pot. See if we can dress the fire a little. So here we have a saltfish fritters. We're going to drop them now. Let's go. One little dumpling. Two little dumpling.
Don't let them too deep.
3 little dumplings, tap, tap, tap.
The breeze are take away fire.
Thyself, fire go on with themselves, even though breeze are carry away most of it. Still a go on. So here we are taking out our 3 little fritters, you know.
Babies. They are
Looking
golden
very
brown.
delicious. Looking very delicious. You can't bite all this right now, you know. When you bite them, don't you go plop, 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 plop. Boy, Grace walk, you're missing something, you're missing something. Those remnant, you're missing something. Leave them not really.
I feel like I'm gonna grab one and bite it right now. Mmm. Looks delicious. Just adding in more to the pot.
My, delicious soul.
Alright, we are going for the last batch now.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we are going for the last batch. Follow we now.
Boom,
If you want one, you would have to put some zinc on the fire because
which is right, which is right.
with the breeze. I kind of burn. You see the amount of oil leaving at the pot? I want to make the butter too thin, you know?
Softer.
I wouldn't want to get in soak up too much oil.
So after this now we are going for the ghetto girl. Fling her in the pot. Can't wait, can't wait, can't wait.
Yeah, me have to watch out some of the oil because still enough oil left.
Yeah.
Yeah, see the final result, yeah?
Real Jamaican life. Saltfish fritters. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you for sticking and staying with us. Real Jamaican life here with Country Girl.
You know
See you next time.